what's up guys? My name's Dustin and I'm in Philadelphia. Yeah, I know, that's what I was flying. I flew out of Orlando and I'm now in Philadelphia. I'm in a rental car. It's a hybrid. I'm driving a hybrid. It's on and it's like quiet. It's weird. So yeah, like I said in the video before this, I'm going to East Coast RepRap Festival. So I just flew down here to wherever the hell I am, Philadelphia. And I'm going to drive down to Maryland, to Bel Air. And yeah, it's going to be great. So first of all, I need to find where the hell I need to eat because I'm hungry. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm in a car. It's comfortable. All that fun. So yay! Alrighty, I'm on the road currently. I'm doing this completely safe. I'm on I-95 heading south. I just entered into Delaware. So that's pretty cool. I wish there was like things to do in Delaware other than, you know, go see the Dover International Speedway. That's about all I know about in Delaware. So yeah, I'm heading south. It's another hour and 14 minutes to get to where I'm going. So yeah, it's gonna be great. Okay, so now I'm in Maryland, and apparently there's like a toll road, like a singular toll road on 95 in Delaware. So I told it to not do tolls because I don't have my e-pass or anything. And so I get to the part where there's a toll and there's like an exit right before the toll, and it's just like, yeah, go around it. And so you just like take the exit, go up to the next road, drive up a few miles, and then get back onto 95 and just go around the toll. It makes it like 5 minutes slower, but like, I just thought it was really funny, or just going around the toll basically. So I'm in Maryland now. I'm like 30 minutes away from where I'm going. I'm heading to like the direction that destination I'm going to is where the setup is for Maker Faire. It's at some convention center or something. I don't remember now. But we're going there, or I'm going there because I know that Folger Tech, John and Ida Folger are going to be there. We're going to be doing the setup like today. It's Friday, so we got to do the setup for the booth for tomorrow. So I know that starts at 4, and I think John's just going to head straight there. So I'm going to go there and then go from there. If I have time, if he's going to be a while or whatever, then I'll just head up to like Micro Center or something like that, because we don't have Micro Center in Florida. So there's like 4 around here. So I'm going to probably do that if there's still time. But yeah, I'm in Maryland. The hills are amazing. There's hills. Like, I'm not used to there being hills. Like, my drive to work, I have like ups and downs because there's like, my work is in the hilliest part of Florida, which is not saying something. Like, the biggest hill is like nothing. Whereas I'm going up fucking mountains. It's great. So, oh man. Anyway, I just wanted to say that. So, I'll let you know when I get there. I'm back again. We're at that place, which is the APG Federal Credit Union. That's where this Maker thing, RepRap Festival, is taking place. I'm here. John is like 30 minutes away, so I'm just gonna chill here, rest a little bit because my ass hurts from sitting all day long, and yeah, we'll go from there. I'll wait until he gets here and then we'll reconvene on the other side. And now it's 11 at night and I'm in the hotel room. I have my own hotel room, so that's good. I'm tired, obviously. I've been flying and driving and all that kind of nonsense. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Gotta wake up early tomorrow. We get to go in early and finish the setup of the booth and all that, and I'll take you guys with me, and it'll be great. You'll be able to see it all. I already know of some people I'm going to get to see, so that's going to be great. And yeah, it's going to go from there. So good night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It's 8:30 in the morning, Saturday. It's time to go to East Coast RepRap Festival. It opens to vendors and stuff at 9, finish setup and all that kind of stuff. And then 10 o'clock it opens to the public, so that's when people are going to come in and start doing stuff. So that's going to be cool.
So yeah, I'm gonna head downstairs, see if I can get something to eat real quick, and then head out with everybody. So, let go.
Shane.
Probably not the spools and the boxes and the labels we'll end up using, but just something we threw together.
Is this how you do B-roll, Shane?
Yeah, I try. I mean, my B-roll sucks, but you know, hey, I try.
This is him making a video with me making a video about him. And then someone's making a video about us. It's a three-way thing.
I wouldn't call it that, but hey! Enjoying yourself out here?
Yeah, kind of.
You liking Maryland so far?
I like the hills and the weather is amazing.
Well, today it kind of sucks. It's a little rainy and cloudy, and
That's better than 150 degrees.
I guess
It was like 95 when I left at 8 in the morning the other day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's insane. It's
yeah.
definitely not that hot here.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's like 60 something out right now.
Yeah.
It's great.
Well, hey, it's good to see you up here. It's good to finally meet.
I know.
You know, we've been, YouTube and Facebook friends for a while now, and
Forever.
yeah, and now it's good to actually, put a physical face to a virtual face.
Yeah.
Right?
It's pretty crazy. And remember that video I made a long time ago about, hey, these are YouTubers you should probably
The
watch?
up and comings. Yep, I was
Yeah.
one of them.
And now he's like 4 times bigger than me. So, but then again, he actually posts videos.
I do. I try. But you mean you need to. That means you need to now.
Well, that's what this is.
Okay, but you need to get some other ones out there now.
Yeah, I have like
video.
I have like 3 new 3D printers / CNC machines that I haven't made videos about.
Oh, you need to get on that. I will virtually shame you for that, if I must.
I'm gonna start making a petition. Dustin, make videos.
Yes. I'll do in the Folger Tech group. I'll get people on it.
You're gonna make a poll.
Yes.
How many
Should
do you
Dustin
want?
make new videos? Should he get back into the YouTube game?
Yeah. So, then again, I'm like sitting here like, oh, I have a full-time job now. I don't have time.
Full-time job, data 4, travel a lot.
Yeah, really.
You can do it.
I don't have to fly country to country and stuff like that. Like I'm just coming home and then going, it's too tired.
I'm too tired, yeah. Well, hey, we look forward to you putting out some more content out there, buddy.
I'll try.
All right.
And we're all looking forward to him obviously already making content.
I will continue to fight the good fight. Let's say that.
That's what we're going for.
Take it easy.
At the Folger Tech booth, not doing anything because it's like later. It's like 5:30, so it's winding down. So my feet hurt. I'm tired. I want to go home. I want to go to bed. But a lot of cool things going on here. Got to meet a bunch of cool people, like Brooke from printer bots like RepRap. Like, holy crap, that's one of like the original guys that I got into 3D printing wise. So it's pretty cool. And then Cruiser Research is right next to us, so that's pretty cool. So I'm enjoying myself. Talking to a lot of people. Anybody who's met me today, hi. If you didn't say hi, or if you saw me and didn't say hi, hi. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah, we gotta find a place to go.
I don't care what anyone says, this is the prettiest printer here.
Right? Isn't it just so fun looking?
It's great. I love the zip ties and everything.
Good morning again. This is Sunday morning, so the show was really good last night, and when we left, we kind of just went out and ate, and then I come back here and just kind of chilled, slept, all that good stuff. So it's 9 in the morning right now. The show starts at 10. We don't have to do any setup or anything. So I'm packing up all my stuff because I won't be coming back to the hotel, and then I have to drive my rental car to the place. I'm going to be there until about 1:30 or 2, and then I got to do an hour-and-a-half drive back to Philadelphia, drop off the rental car, get to the airport. My flight's tonight at like 6:30 or something like that, so it's going to be great.
Packing up and ready to go. So sad, but it was a good time. So, woohoo. One more thing before I go. I got Chris here. He's the one who set this whole thing up. So, tell me, what made you start wanting to do this?
Well, real quick, I want to thank Vicky Soma, Lauren and Nick Angers. They're also part of the four that helped make this happen. It all started with the drive back from RepRap 2017. I helped Matt out at Printed Solid there, and on the ride home we said, there's so many people where we live. Yeah. Why don't we have an East Coast RepRap festival? And we said, oh, ERRF. Yeah. That sounds nice. And I guess like 470 some days later,
here we are.
Here we are.
It's awesome. I'm really glad that we were able to come out here, and you know, I didn't know what to expect, but there's a lot of people here. This is Sunday now. It's a little bit quieter than yesterday, but we were booming yesterday.
Yeah.
Is everything, was it up to what you expected and what you wanted?
It's met all of our expectations. It's shattered some of our hopes. It's been really good. It's looking about 600-700 people that were in here on Saturday. We're still going to tally the numbers up, but
it was pretty busy yesterday. It was hopping. So.
There was a good point where you could not see down the walkways.
Yeah.
Everybody was busy talking. You can tell by my voice.
Yeah, even my voice is going out now.
Everybody
That's
is.
saying something too.
Yep,
so. We doing this again next year?
Absolutely, and the year after that, and the year after that,
keep
and the
building
year
it up.
After that.
So hopefully we're building up. So all you people on the East Coast, which is a lot of people, will be able to come to this. And you know, I have to thank you for inviting me and inviting Folger Tech and everyone here. There's been a lot of people. I got to talk to a lot of good people, and so I thank you for this. So
thank you. You're a big part of why Folger Tech is here.
I'm happy to help.
So loved having you all here. Great to meet everybody in person.
Absolutely. So thanks again.
Thank you. See you next year.
And that's it, everybody. That was East Coast RepRap Festival. I think Chris did a great job. Chris and everyone that he worked with. That was awesome. I really appreciate inviting me and inviting Folger Tech. And thank you to John and Anita Folger at Folger Tech for you know, getting me out here. Not only them coming, but getting me out here as well. I thought that was really cool. Got to meet a lot of cool people. Got to see a lot of cool things. Talk to some cool people. People who knew me. You guys are awesome. If you saw me, even if you didn't say hi, I'm glad you came. So hopefully they can do this again next year, because it was definitely pretty cool. So anyway, I'm gonna now drive an hour and 35 minutes to the airport. I gotta stop and get some gas, drop this off at the airport, go through security and all that kind of stuff, and hop on a flight, go home, hopefully be home before the end of the night. So I think I'll probably do one more update when I get home. So you know, hold on. It's gonna be like super quick for you guys. For me, it's gonna be like I don't know, 8 hours, 6-7 hours, somewhere in there. So on 3 we're gonna be at home. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay. Well, it's the next day, because apparently, for one, I was so tired last night that I didn't want to do anything except go to bed. But I had a great time totally not flying home last night at the right time. So when I said in my last video I had to drive, what was it, an hour and a half to the airport, that was about 2 o'clock, right? 2 o'clock in the afternoon Sunday. So my flight was supposed to depart at 6:45 or something like that. So it was an hour and a half drive, so like 3:30, 4 o'clock, I was already in the airport ready to go and all that. Went through TSA, went to the gate and all that, got some food, it was really good, and then, you know, was getting ready to go and all that. So finally we start boarding our plane, we get on the plane, we start taxiing around, and the pilot's like, yeah, it's going to be great, don't worry about it. We're going to be there, it's a 2-hour flight, and we're going to be home. And then he comes over the thing, it says, oh yeah, well the FAA is kind of screwing up every flight heading south in the northeastern region. So, yeah, we're a little bit delayed right now, and we'll see how it goes. And then another 2 hours of sitting on the tarmac. He says, oh yeah, we don't really have enough gas to be able to go back right now, so we have to go back to the gate, get more fuel. So they tell us, oh yeah, if you want to onboard, you can. And then they're like, actually, we're going to get everyone off. So
Now we're waiting. Still in Philadelphia at 9:30-ish.
Sat inside the terminal again for another hour or so, and then finally at, I think it was like 11:35 or something like that, we took off. And I landed at 1:30, and I was getting out of the airport, getting picked up at 2 in the morning. So got home, ate a piece of chicken, and then went to bed. So now it's Monday. Luckily, I planned to take work off today, so I already had the day scheduled as a vacation day, which I'm so glad I did, because I told them, like, I want to have the day off afterwards just in case shit happens on the traveling part of this. So I'm so glad that I did. So now that I'm home, I get to you know, just rest all day and do all that kind of stuff and edit these videos, which will be great. So anyway, I appreciate anyone who went with me during this journey, and I hope you enjoyed these videos. Thanks again to Chris, who set up East Coast RepRap Festival, and all of the people who he worked with, John and Ida Folger Tech, all the people that I met, you know, Shane and Clyde, and you guys all know who you are. So you guys are awesome. And yeah, really, that's pretty much it. And I hope to have more videos coming soon, and we'll go from there. So anyway, I'm gonna put this camera down because it's heavy now. So until the next video, I'll see y'all later.